Hello students, welcome back to English Literature Classes BA Part 2. Today our topic is Hardy's The Return of the Native. Okay? आज हम बात करेंगे हार्डी के रिटर्न ऑफ द नेटिव के बारे में. ओके? So, discuss the return of the native as an organ of Hardy's social philosophy and the return of the native where with domestic tragedy and the problem play. आज हम जानेंगे the return of the native as an organ of Hardy's social philosophy. हार्डी की social philosophy के बारे में और ये return of the native ये domestic tragedy है तो क्यों है और ये problem play भी क्यों पुकारा जाता है. ओके सो today our topic is the return of the native. Okay, so without wasting much time we should start this video on this topic. What is Hardy known for? Thomas Hardy is best known for his novel all of which were published in the mid to late 19th century. His last novel, Tales of the D'Urbervilles and Jude the Obscure, are generally considered his finest. These works challenge societal mores with their sympathetic portrayals of the hardship of working class people. In spite of the authority of Aristotle and the examples of the great classical and romantic tragedy of Johnson, Shakespeare, others, the English stage at various periods has produced tragedies based not upon the lips of historical of high rank to be a true tragedy of all, but upon the lips of everyday contemporary folk, running contrary to the prevailing critical conceptions of the proper sphere of tragedy. Domestic tragedy was long in winning critical recognition. In Elizabethan times were produced such powerful domestic tragedy as the Anonymous Arden of Feversham, Thomas Hardyhood, Thomas Heywood, A Woman Killed with Kindness. Okay. The 18th century domestic tragedy, however, was crowded out by other forms and later in the 19th century reintroduced from abroad, especially under the influence of Ibsen, since whose time the old conceptions of tragedy as possible only with heroes of high rank has definitely given way to the plays which present fate at work among the lowly. Okay. What social class was Thomas Hardy? Like Gissing, Venice and Wells after him, Hardy was not born into the privileged, well-educated, financially independent class that dominated Victorian culture. Instead, he was from a rural artisan family, one whose specific class status has been analyzed minutely by critics over the years. Okay. What type of life did Thomas Hardy live? Hardy had somewhat of an isolated life on the open fields of the religion. He grew up living and examining rural life, which figures prominently in many of his novels. His primary school education lasted until he was 16, at which time he was sent to an apprenticeship with John Hicks, a local architect. Okay. The Return of the Native is Thomas Hardy's 6th published novel. ये रिटर्न ऑफ द नेटिव जो है थॉमस हार्डी की 6th पब्लिश्ड नॉवल है एंड इट फर्स्ट अपीयर्ड इन द मैगजीन. और ये सबसे पहले कौन सी मैगजीन में देखी गई थी? वेलग्रेविया में. वेलग्रेविया में देखी गई थी, जो कि एक पब्लिकेशन है नोन फॉर इट सेंसेशनलिज्म. ओके. एंड वॉज प्रेजेंटेड इन 12 monthly installment from January to December 1878. Because of the novel's controversial themes, and Hardy's had some difficulty finding a publisher. Reviews, however, though somewhat mixed, were generally positive. Okay. What type of life did Thomas Hardy live? Hardy had somewhat of an isolated life on an open fields of Reagan. He grew up living and examining rural life, which figures prominently in many of his novels. His primary school education lasted until he was 16. उनकी जो प्राइमरी एजुकेशन हुई थी वो लास्ट तब तक हुई थी. ही वॉज 16, जब वो केवल 16 के थे, 16 वर्ष के थे. एट विच टाइम ही वॉज सेंट, उसी टाइम में उनको भेज दिया गया टू एन अप्रेंटिसशिप्स विद जॉन हिक्स, ए लोकल आर्किटेक्ट. ओके. So what is the main theme of the Return of the Native? Main and the natural word is arguable. The central theme of the book, the heath functions as its own character in addition to being an evocative backdrop that has some sort of cyclic link to the 18th century. Domestic tragedy, however, was crowded out by the other forms and later in the 19th century reintroduced from abroad, especially under the influence of the Ibsen, since whose time the old conceptions of tragedy as possibly only with heroes of high rank has definitely given way to plays which present fate at work among the lowly. Okay. The novel is set on Egdon Heath, a fictional Warren Moor in Wessex in southwestern England. The native of the title is Clem Wright, who has returned to the area to become a schoolmaster after a successful but, in his opinion, shallow career as a jeweler in Paris. Okay. Okay. So Thomas Hardy's social life. Hardy is an implied social reformer, though contemporary age could not understand him a right and blame him for the darkening, the natural course of hierarchy in human society and human relationship. Hardy's social philosophy embraces such institutions as marriage, motherhood, chastity, and such other contemporary conventions followed by the age. According to Hardy's, most of the suffering of mankind are the outcome of matrimonial maladjustment. The problem of marriage possesses fundamental importance in Hardy. Marriage is inseparably linked with the begetting of progeny. Marriage symbolizes cord and unities men with society. As an institution, marriage has great responsibility. However, Hardy's think that his time-honored institution of marriage is responsible for human failure. According to the novelist, marriage has turned irregular, abnormal, and unsuited to the age. Okay. Which one of which one among the following is an example for domestic tragedy? Other famous examples are A Woman Killed with Kindness 1607, A Yorkshire Tragedy 1608, and The Witch of the Edmonton 1621. Othello can be classified as a domestic tragedy. So the Return of the Native is the tragedy of individuals who break away for free actions from the security of established conventions. However, such rebels are at least given a recognition so that, irrespective of their ultimate fate in the novel, and they rise to the level of tragic grandeur. So, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.